You see this on social media a lot. You see these well-known famous YouTubers with 100,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, 5 million subscribers. And you thought to yourself, wow, in order to make money on YouTube, I need a lot of views. I need tens of millions of views and millions of subscribers. Let me tell you this, it is simply not true. Today I'm gonna prove to you how you could make decent money, even big money, with a small channel. Now maybe you're just getting started. Maybe you only have a few hundred subscribers on your YouTube channel, maybe a few thousand, maybe tens of thousands. It doesn't matter. You see, I remember when I was getting started on YouTube, I was already generating 5-figure income from YouTube when I only had 4-figure subscribers, and I was generating 6-figure income from YouTube with only 5-figure subscribers. And then I was generating 7-figure income from YouTube when I had 6-figure subscribers. And today, well, I won't even talk about today. So think about it. What do you need to do?
And that is just when YouTube creators get a revenue split with Google, when ads are displayed on their video content, and a user or a viewer interacts with that ad in some way or watches it fully. So no, you do not get paid or get any money for likes, for favorites, for subscribers even. You don't even get paid for views necessarily. You only get paid when a viewer engages with an ad. So they've clicked on it to go learn more, or they watch the full ad in its entirety, or they watch it for longer than 30 seconds if it's a clickable ad, or maybe there's a display ad somewhere around the video on the page and they clicked on that. That's the only time you get paid, because that's when the advertiser pays YouTube, and then YouTube then splits that revenue with the creator, usually on a 55-45 revenue split, 55 of it going to the creator, 45% of it.
This means advertisers pay YouTube to run their ads before or during your videos, and YouTube in turn pays you for bringing viewers to those ads. Your video needs to be monetized in order for ads to play before it, and enabling monetization is as easy as agreeing to some terms and then checking a little box that says monetize this video. You get paid for every monetized view. So YouTubers do not get paid based on how many subscribers they have, how many likes they get, or how many videos they make. It's all about the views. A YouTuber could have 10 million subscribers but could still be making less money than a YouTuber that has only 10 subscribers if that YouTuber is somehow getting more views. So here's the ultimate question. How much do you get paid per view? So this changes based on many factors, such as how many minutes watched per view, what month it is, and how many of the views used adblock. But I took my total earnings from 2015 and divided it by the number of views and got $14.85. That means for every 1,485 views, I got $1. Or for each view, I get about 1/15 of a cent. And that number changes drastically throughout the year. For example, December is typically the best month for YouTubers since it is the Christmas season and everyone's home for winter break and more people watch videos, but also advertisers usually want to use up the rest of their budget before the end of the year. I've seen numbers as low as 550 views per dollar. But as soon as the new year hits, earnings drop to a third of what it was the day before. My average views per dollar ratio for January this year was 4,288. That's pretty bad, but normal for January. Of course, I could have talked about the technical term CPM, which stands for cost per mille, or cost per thousand, which is how much the advertiser pays per 1,000 ad views. But not only am I very ignorant about those things, I feel that directly dividing my views by my earnings may provide a measurement that's easier to grasp. So one thing that's actually hurting YouTubers and causing them to receive less per view is ad block. If the ad doesn't get watched, we don't get paid. So YouTube's answer to ad block is YouTube Red, which directly supplements every YouTuber with an additional stream of revenue. So I hope that clears up.
You could sell services. A mentee of mine, Gary Wong, he is a realtor in Vancouver. He is not trying to use YouTube to generate money directly, like say through AdSense and things like that. No, he runs a business. He is using YouTube as a lead generation platform, right? So when people watch his videos on YouTube, and if someone wants to purchase a property or someone who wants to list a property, he would then get them on the phone and offer his service. So offering services, that's a great way to make big money with a small channel. So if you are a service provider, meaning you're a consultant, you are a coach, you are an expert, maybe you are a real estate agent, maybe you're a mortgage broker, you're an insurance agent, you're providing a service in your local area, in your city. YouTube is a very, very powerful way to get your message out there, to promote your name, to get your name out there, to create some value in the marketplace and educate your potential clients. You let them consume your content, and when they are ready to do business, you'll be the first one that pops into the mind, that top of mind awareness, and say, yes, you are the one I want to do business with. So number one, using YouTube as a lead generation service platform for your existing business.
Is a lead generation source. So the way you end a video, every time you put something on YouTube, you don't sell them something, you don't check out affiliate products, you say, come get my free report, come get my free consultation, my free video series, my free training. Come click to my website to get a free quote, to learn more. This way you get the traffic off of YouTube, you get them the heck off of YouTube, you get them to your site, you get them to give you their contact information, and then you follow up with them. That is the only way that I truly know how to make money on YouTube, and ironically, it's about making money off of YouTube. Getting people who are already on YouTube, watching videos, asking questions, learning, get them the heck off of YouTube and onto your site so that you can take them through your sales funnel.
What if you say, Dan, I don't have digital courses, I don't know how to create digital courses? Guess what? You can also make money as an affiliate. You can promote other people's digital courses. People who are creators, people who are experts, who offer these type of courses. As an affiliate, you can promote their courses and then get a commission. Example, if they're selling a course that is $1,000 and you can help them promote their courses. When someone watches your video, maybe you do a review video of some kind, right? And they click on the link and they go ahead and go to the website and purchase that course, you can get a 20%, 30%, even up to 40, 50% commission. That is a pretty good deal. Wouldn't you say? You don't need to make a lot of sales to make a decent amount of income.
Sometimes in these videos, I talk about different products or gear. I'm not getting paid necessarily from the brand to talk about them, but like if I'm reviewing like the GoPro, like I did a few weeks ago, and reviewing that for vlogging, I put a link to it in the description of the video where you guys can go check out the GoPro if it's something you're interested in purchasing. And if you use my link and buy that product that I'm talking about, then I usually get a percentage of the sales back. So, you know, I'm affiliates with B&H Photo, with Amazon, and a lot of other stuff.
Companies like Amazon and ClickBank and Commission Junction, I don't know why that sounded so weird. You can actually create videos where you recommend or review or do an open box reveal of a product that you use and like. And then in the video, you can use what's called an affiliate link, and you can get paid for that, which is absolutely awesome. Now it's a whole different beast in and of itself, but it's a great way to make money without actually creating products of your own. So it's actually pretty cool. And I've done a few myself. You can go on my channel and see some of my review videos.